bird macho. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Set, go. Well, I'm a bird killer. I love killing birds.
Even love birds.
Why, yes, especially love birds. They annoy the crap out of me.
Really?
Yeah, I was in the forest when I killed a yellow throat thrush, a robin redbreast, and a buzzard. Or many buzzards. You can see that.
Yes. Oh, this is very soft.
Yes. Buzzards have the softest fur. Oh, it has a band-aid in it.
Oh.
Oh my.
Oh my.
Alright.
I am Dr. X-Ray. I murder people. I stab people. No, that's not it either. Oh yes, I perform dangerous heart surgeries, but do not take care of it properly. Stab them in the heart and then shove them in a bag. Wait, no, that's it. Oh, I also get flowers from my girlfriends off gravestones behind the cemetery where we put all the body bags.
Don't tell them.